Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image in Paint 3D and duplicating it so you have a backup. Next, crop tightly around the signature to limit what you need to clean. This speeds up selection and reduces errors. Once done, choose Magic Select and draw a box around the signature. Make sure to include a small margin so you don't cut strokes. The tool analyzes foreground versus background, so you can work on just the signature instead of the entire image. Once Magic Select previews the extraction, refine the selection using Add or Remove brushes to capture thin strokes and eliminate stray background pixels. When the selection looks right, click Next and either cut or copy the isolated signature. Make sure to enable Canvas and check Transparent Canvas in the Canvas menu so the area behind the pasted signature is clear. This step ensures the signature sits over transparency rather than a white box when you export it as a PNG. After pasting the signature onto a transparent canvas, use the eraser at low size to clean tiny artifacts and a soft brush to blend jagged edges. You can nudge and resize with the Select Move tool to position it precisely. When satisfied, choose Save As and pick PNG so transparency is preserved. If you see a white fringe or halo, make sure Transparent Canvas was enabled before saving. If problems persist, rerun Magic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.